This is Hina Kohli, waking up to an all too familiar day. There's nothing wrong with it, but there's nothing different either. The tea, the newspaper and some other daily chores later, it's time to settle down in front of the television.
Yes, and it's now time for the Night Out Houseful question. Just answer this very simple question. Who is the choreographer of Houseful? And send in your answers to nightout@ndtv.com, and the cast of Houseful could soon be in your home. So make sure you send in those answers.
And this time, it's for real. Like Hina Kohli here. Now, she took part in the Houseful Night Out contest. She doesn't know whether she's going to win, but she surely is hoping. Okay, we are at the office of producer Sajid Nadadwala. He's also the producer for Houseful. This is where the stars will start trickling in. They will choose who the winner is, and then we will not gift wrap them, but we will deliver them to the house of whoever wins this contest. Hello, how are you doing?
तो जैसे तैसे थोड़ी ऐसे या वैसे हट जाएगी.
And finally, it's time for the stars to pick the lucky one. Akshay, of course, can't make it easy for anyone.
कहाँ है वो कहाँ है? जीत got it. उसके पास है. Okay. All nice. You're gonna pick one lucky winner. One lucky winner. Hina Kohli. Shit. Hina Kohli. ये भी हीना कोहली. हीना कोहली. देखो कैसे फिक्स किया जाता है. देखो मक्कारी और फरीद. You're gonna come to your house. Your house is gonna be houseful. अरे नीलकमल सोसाइटी किधर पड़ेगा?
3 बिल्डिंग के बाद.
3 बिल्डिंग के बाद राइट पे. नीलकमल सोसाइटी. अक्षय कुमार का नंबर क्यों चाहिए?
नंबर नहीं चाहिए. सच्ची बोला यार.
कौन आने? अक्षय कुमार आने. नीलकमल किस तरह भैया? भैया ये C 309 नीलकमल अपार्टमेंट यही है ना?
हाँ जी.
यहाँ ये हिना कोहली.
लास्ट वाला भी 3 वाला 309.
चलो ठीक है. थैंक यू. We're here at Hina Kohli's house. I'm about to surprise her and tell her that she is the winner. Wait, can I just call her?
Hello.
Hi, is that Hina Kohli?
Yeah, hi. This is Hina.
Hi Hina, this is Vikram Thapa from NDTV.
Hi.
This call is to tell you that you have won the Night Out contest.
Okay.
So yeah, so do you mind opening the door?
You here?
Yes, we're here.
One sec.
Hello, hi. This is Vikram. I should not have your phone.
Hi.
And that is Hina Kohli. She's just won the contest.
Yeah. Are you serious?
Yes, and the stars will be coming over to your house. How do you feel?
Is this real?
This is not real. We just.
So unbelievable.
Of course, of course.
So
It's...
unbelievable.
Are you ready to meet Akshay Kumar?
Oh my God. What time did you say something?
Right now, Akshay? No. No, he's not here.
I was zapped seeing him because he came with the good news that I've been zeroed down. I mean, I'm the winner. I'm the winning contestant. and my joy knew no bounds. My heart was thumping, and I didn't know when he told me that the entire cast is going to be coming to my house. It's like unbelievable. It's something that you've been chasing for all this while just comes and stands in front of you and glares you in the eye. So very, very, very happy feeling.
So we'll give you all the time in the world. So prepare, and he should pay you soon.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
No problem. I'll see you in a while.
Yeah, all right.
Bye.
Bye.
It's all set. We're going to go surprise. I think this girl called Heena's won.
I have no idea. I think finally her house will be full.
I just hope Heena's cute.
I don't think anybody's ever done this before. Getting so many Bollywood stars to somebody's house, actually visit them, spend time with them, hopefully eat some very tasty snacks. I'm looking forward to that.
Imagine if I am a fan, I win something and I have like 4 actors coming to my house. I think I would be calling the entire class, entire building, and I don't know what I would be doing.
If I had such big Bollywood actors coming to my house for a visit, I think I'd be, the neighbors' envy and owner's pride.
They may be big in Bollywood, but boys will be boys. Some friendly banter later, it was time to pack in and head out to Heena's den.
अब तो ऐसे ही बैठना. It's a real house. हाँ. कोई बात नहीं. I don't know that this is totally a houseful car. It's Arjun's car, which used to be a very expensive car, but after this ride, it won't be that expensive.
It is a car full of houseful stars.
Give me a kiss और पैसे मांगे.
हाँ? किस चीज के पैसे?
ये उल्टी होंडा चलाने वाला कौन है?
ये हमारा राइडर है.
नाइट राइडर. हाँ. ये देखिए कैमरामैन, उल्टी होंडा चलाने वाला इंसान.
हीना कोहली एक आप में से एक की बहुत बड़ी फैन है. तो मैंने ये सवाल सबसे पूछा. So who do you think she follows like religiously?
Everybody's Akshay Kumar's fan.
I think it should be Akshay Kumar.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm a little surprised because most women that I know, they completely are in love with Arjun Rampal.
Well, I hope it's me. And if not, then she's really got bad taste.
I think words will be less to describe how crazy I am.
He was like totally, gobsmacked by Akshay Kumar. जब भी वो screen पे आता है, she was like.
That gone and stood outside his building where he used to stay first in Lokhandwala just to know where he stays. Gone and seen all his films first day, last show. I've seen all his films. I do not encourage piracy as far as he's concerned. I really don't know how to whistle like the way he whistles with one finger. Since I can't do that, I carry a little whistle with me in my bag and whistle at his entry. I celebrate his birthdays. Every year on the 9th of September, I distribute sweets to my colleagues. And I drink only thumbs up.
ये thumbs up नहीं है, ये thumbs up है, thumbs up. ये पीने के बाद तुम्हारा अंदर का सोया हुआ जानवर भाग जाता है.
There are so many things about him. He's a very, very good-looking man. The fact that he's a self-made man, I mean, hero in the true sense, struggling from a middle-class family to what he is, a total achiever, gives inspiration to others and drives middle-class people. in a very serious way. His acting range, I think, from comedy to action to thriller to, I think, just about anything. I think he's one of the first few actors who kind of brought in the whole fitness mantra into spotlight.
I used to always try to help her understand that you're pretty low on his priority list, and perhaps she'll never get an opportunity to meet him or see him, because first priority would be, of course, Twinkle. Second would be promoting his movies, and I really don't see you happening.
Sameer's doubts were put to rest the moment Akshay said,
Rajkumar Kohli.
No.
Hina Kohli.
You're coming to your home.
I've like kind of jazzed up my house for it to look pretty and everything. I hope they all can be accommodated. I'm going to make a very special sharbat since it's really hot out there, and I hope they like it. So I've taken little pains by going in, picking up stuff. Tarboos chahiye humko, lekin meetha chahiye. It's very sweet. I think he's going to really love it. Ye film stars khane wale malume hai aapko?
everything's sorted. House in order? Check. Contest? Check. There's just one thing left to do.
I think I've got a very high fever, yeah. I won't be able to come in today, huh?
Oops, we split the beans there, Hina. But we are sure the bosses will understand. After all, it isn't every day that Akshay Kumar, Arjun Rampal and Ritesh Deshmukh come calling at your doorstep.
I won the NDTV 24/7 Night Out Houseful contest, and that's why my house is full.
Hello. Hi. Are you Hina?
Yes, I am.
Come, there's a surprise for you. Come.
Hi, Hina. How are you?
Hey.
Hi.
Hina's brother, Sameer.
Hi, Sameer.
Hello.
Hey.
House full of handsome men.
How are you?
Why we kept this camera?
Very well.
Oh, hi.
Thank you for having us in your home.
You know who picked out your name, Akshay?
Yeah, I picked up your name there.
I've had hits and misses with you at the airport, at...
You work there at the airport?
No. I work at Colors.
Okay, come, sit here.
I'm not that light, actually. I have specially made something for the men.
Janiki.
She knew that you were coming. She made something special for us.
Ritesh Babu. Aladdin.
सुने तू मेरे पुराने घर में आया था नेहरू नगर वाले घर में नहीं आया था ना कभी
नहीं आया
तू आया था ना नेहरू नगर वाले घर में तू आया था कभी नहीं आया था एग्जैक्टली लाइक दिस
तो मेरे साइन वाले घर पे आया था
नहीं
एग्जैक्टली इसका आधा रूम था
और कितने लोग
चार
Oh, how sweet! You actually got something for us to eat
I wasn't lying.
and drink.
To the director, the captain of the ship.
Thank you very much. Titanic. What is this? This is something to do with
This is
Roo
with sabza and with...
Sabza नहीं सब्जा होता है ना?
नहीं, sabza.
Thank you.
I was wondering that the ladies might be diet conscious and all that, but I'm glad to have you.
Nobody died.
You have it during Ramzan. Like my mom's a Muslim, my father's a Hindu. That's what we are.
Okay.
Wasn't that shocking?
The sabja got caught in my... No.
You want some water?
Yes, lots of it. Have a good look at sabja. It's always reminded me of alien eyes.
You all know about this.
Obviously I know it.
Yes, sir.
People who don't know, उनको खांसी वासी आती है, खाना नहीं आता उनको.
इससे पहले जो इंटरव्यू में तू 4 बार खांस रहा था तभी.
मैं कब खांस रहा था?
Thank you. See, I'm emotionally very touched. I've got tears coming out of my eyes. Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much. Yeah, it was lovely.
You didn't like it?
I liked it, but
sarcastic or something?
no, I'm being honest. I've heard of food which is mouth-watering. This is eye-watering. What made you take part in this contest? Be honest. Oh, so she's given it away. Out of the 3 men, she's Akshay's fan.
Listen, you asked me to be honest. So
Don't give us consolation.
I have not been politically correct like how the actors and actresses are. While
Neither have I been politically correct in my answer if you hadn't chosen me.
And
what had you said? I said then she has very bad taste.
And in Rajni?
But I was just frozen.
But you're not tongue-tied or neither have you fainted,
Because
right?
I'm not talking to him now. You notice I'm not looking at him.
Are you a Punjabi? आप Punjabi, आप Muslim.
I really thought this was a sham. I just took participate in it for a laugh. मुझे लगा कि लग जाए तो लग जाए अच्छा है. Because so many times गाड़ी जीतने के लिए and all that I participated कुछ नहीं लगा. So I thought तो stars है.
No, but I don't think that's entirely true because normally NDTV would not do such a thing to a viewer. I think they have a lot of credibility when it comes to news and the way they present the news and even in the way they present point of views of theirs, the film industry, politics. It's very, very balanced, I feel. So What is that?
My diary, which I've been writing since so many years.
Oh, you have a personal diary?
Yeah, I have a personal diary which these guys have made public.
Oh my God, it's Akshay's photographs on your personal diary.
Acha, that's personal stuff.
Sing is king.
Yeah. I watched all your films first day last show. Thank you. And I would love to learn to whistle like this with one finger. Since I can't, I carry a whistle with me every time.
It's superb.
How? I can't. You?
No, I might just go.
तू वो बजाओ सी.
He's a cheap guy, you know. रेशो के कॉलेज में खड़े होके नहीं खड़े. That's called dubbing city. For the sake of houseful.
I'll do it.
आज आपको वो दिखाई देने वाला है जो कभी
सालों से
Don't take off your clothes.
No, I'm just trying to get the popping thing right. You know, popping is basically when you pop. Pop.
देखा
Pop.
आज पहली बार तेरा शरीर दिखा हिलते हुए. This is Hina Kohli's house and we can be coming to your house
Next! Very soon. So do participate and...
So watch out the doors. We could be standing outside.
When he came out of the car, I was like surprised. I wanted to go with him for a drive. I thought you were going to lie to us. But when he came, I thought that my dreams come true because he's my favorite actor. Everybody was crowded. I just asked what is happening. So they told that as some actors have come. I ran in my house. I took this book and pen and just ran down.
Did he give you an autograph?
Yeah. When you spoke to us in the evening, I thought he won't come. But it was like a dream. Awesome. Really. A dream come true.
I've never experienced this ever in my life. I was so excited.
Okay, so this is what happens. The stars can come calling to your house too. So keep watching. 1, 2, 3. Night!